This is how to update the ENP reader. So you need to open this. Then go to tools, get notice to mariners and permits, select next, via internet, next, then request. So now it's connecting to UKHO. So wait about 1 minute. So now it's processing request. So now it's successfully updated Admiralty ENP. Your notice to mariners request has been processed successfully. Updated to week 15. So year 2024. So click finish. So you can check also into certificates. Go to certificates. Then generate. Then view. So you can maximize this one. And then now here's the certificate that you are up to date to week 15. So now it's week 15. So click finish. So now your ENP is up to date to latest week. So you can now check here all publication. So this one need a permit, red color. It means permit expired. Okay.